Hey girl, welcome to my channel. My name is Michaela Janae. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we're getting straight into it. I am doing a French set with a tiny little twist. We're going to do a zebra print over the French. It's going to be super duper cute. I already went ahead and prepped my nails. I did a rough shape on them. I'm not keeping these nails, so I didn't do the color that I am using is Perfect Nude by Valentino. Everything I use in this video will be linked down below. And the brush that I'm using is a size 14 by Pure Sky. So right here I'm just laying down the acrylic, and if you need to add more beads, smaller beads by the cuticle, definitely do it. Fill in your gaps. Okay, so I'm all done laying down the acrylic. This is what Perfect Nude looks like. I mean, it's absolutely a perfect nude. It's not too pink, it's not too brown, it's not too tan. It's literally perfect. So I'm about to shape the nails to my desired shape, freshen it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so right now, I am just shaping my nails. I'm filing it, I'm going over the nail. I'm hitting each sidewall. Just shaping it real tapered to a shape that I'm comfortable with, that I like. Something simple, nothing too crazy. And I will release a video to go more in details about shaping your nails. Okay guys, so I went ahead and shaped my nails. I buffed them, and now we are ready to draw our design. So I have my white gel polish out for my French, and I have my black gel polish out for my zebra print. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my French, or how I like to do it for this type of set. Yeah, I like to start at the top and bring it pretty low. And then go to the other side. Try to match it up. If it's not matching up the minute you do it, it's okay. You can always fix it. So all I'm gonna do is just line it up. Because I could have brought it up here, but I prefer for this to be pretty low. I'm gonna take some acetone that I have in a jar, waiting on the side. And this is just cotton pads and acetone. It just helps clean off the brush.
It's a little bit quicker for me and easier. And then I'm going to take a brush that I have, and I'm going to use this brush for cleaning purposes. So I'm going to dip my brush in this acetone. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up.
Okay, so now I'm done doing the French. This is so cute by itself. I always wanted to do like extra long French set, but never did. But anyway, we're gonna take our black now and do our zebra design. I'm gonna show you on this finger how to do it. Just light brush strokes You don't need it to be heavy. I'm gonna add a little bit thicker. And I'm gonna keep doing that. I come over from the side. Bring it on to the new. Do that again. Cute, cute, cute. And let's do that again. This one. And then legal prints also have like little short little hairs that are by itself. So let's put those in as well. This is really cute. I feel like it's missing one right here. Oh, she's cute. Do one more. Actually, a lot. Let's do a little bit more. Less is more, but you know what? I think that's it. I don't want to do it too much. The final look. It's giving. I'm loving it. I love this nude against my skin. I love this white, how crisp it is. The lines are giving. Anyway, that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Everything that I use will be linked down in the description. Make sure you follow my social medias, which will always be linked down below. And check out my previous video. Bye, girl.